Marbury versus Madison is one of the most important Supreme Court cases in U.S. history. It all started when President John Adams appointed William Marbury as a judge right before leaving office. But when Thomas Jefferson became president, his Secretary of State, James Madison, refused to give Marbury his job papers. Marbury sued, asking the Supreme Court to force Madison to deliver them. Chief Justice John Marshall made a big decision. He said Marbury deserved the job, but the court couldn't force Madison to give it to him because the law Marbury used to sue, the Judiciary Act of 1789, was unconstitutional. This was the first time the Supreme Court declared a law passed by Congress unconstitutional, and it established a power called judicial review. Judicial review lets the courts decide if laws or government actions follow the Constitution. If they don't, the courts can strike them down. This power isn't written in the Constitution, but Marbury versus Madison made it a key part of how the government works. It helps balance power between the three branches, executive, legislative, and judicial, and make sure no one branch becomes too powerful. Today, judicial review is used in many important cases. For example, in Brown versus Board of Education in 1954, the Supreme Court used it to end racial segregation in schools. In Obergefell versus Hodges in 2015, it legalized same-sex marriage. These decisions show how judicial review protects people's rights and makes sure that laws are fair. Now, some people think judicial review gives too much power to unelected judges, but others believe it's necessary to uphold the Constitution. Either way, Marbury versus Madison made the Supreme Court a powerful and equal branch of government, and its effects are still felt today. It ensures that no law or action can override the Constitution, protecting democracy and individual rights for over 200 years.